A very good morning or good afternoon, everyone. We are presenting paper ID number 50, Optimize Supplier Recommendation using Hybrid Intelligence System for a Private Blockchain Network. First of all, we would like to thank Middle Labs and HIS committees for giving us this opportunity. The authors for this paper are Shalamaya Bachu, myself, and Dr. Divya Premchandran. So this is our high-level presentation outline, starting with introduction, how are we putting a research goal, what is our literature survey, research questions, knowledge graphs, AI, and blockchain in our hybrid intelligence solution, and the conclusion of our entire paper. So to start with, what is our supply chain management has become an essential component for businesses to remain competitive, right? No business exists without supply chain. Now, to survive in this competitive world and to succeed, companies need to run their enterprises like faster machines and tunable to a sustainable growth. In this rapidly evolving landscape of supply chain management, the selection of reliable suppliers remains paramount, which is without supply chain, no business could survive, right? Though there are many technologies coming in, artificial intelligence technologies are very well positioned to conquer these challenges and manage the supply chain more efficient and a cost-effective way. Though AI is maturing at a rapid pace, it still faces a lot of challenges due to the data quality, the integration, and a lot of complexity involved in the time overall. To overcome these challenges, a digital representation using knowledge graph, modeling, and a supply chain management allows one to get data insights very quickly. So our research introduces an innovative approach to supplier recommendation by synergistically combining graph data science and a traditional artificial intelligence methods, all within a secure environment of a private blockchain network. So our research goal is supply chain management. Now, supply chain management has become an essential component for business to remain competitive, as we saw before. Now, rapidly increasing complexity of supply chain management companies are constantly finding ways to improve efficiency, whether it's reducing cost, and AI is emerged as a promising solution. But integrating AI into supply chain management is still complex and is facing a lot of challenges. The integration of private blockchain network enhances the transparency, and that is what we would like to combine the intelligence with the blockchain for transparency. Our preliminary results indicate that this hybrid model surpasses the standalone GDS or AI systems in accuracy, robustness, and scalability. We could either do GDS, which is a graph data science, or AI. But combining these both systems would be giving us more accuracy, more robustness, and more scalable in future. Now, our research goal is to examine how do we optimize supply chain using this hybrid AI approach, using the graph data science and AI systems with the help of knowledge graph, and how do we recommend suppliers added to blockchain network for a secure, transparent transaction in an enterprise, right? We would always prefer private blockchains versus public blockchains, but let's see how do we delve into the research goal. And these are our research questions that will be answered by our overall research presentation. How do you develop an AI-based supply chain management with total transparency? How to optimize the supply chain management for a rapid decision making and to build a more reliable one? How do you provide visibility in supply chain and furnish irrefutable proof for meeting SCM standards and expectations? Our paper would address all these questions at a higher level and delve into more research and innovation in this area. So the literature survey, which is the ongoing research, is focused on improving AI techniques for identifying prospective supplies and supply chain management. This is not a novel problem. There are some AI tools that regularly do this, and they leverage various data extraction and reasoning methods. Studies are analyzing and monitoring blockchain data to construct RegTech applications. Now, employing knowledge graphs for smart contract generation that are legally compliant and verifiable, fitting for RegTech applications. The construction of the ontology highlights a gap in suitable ontologies for unstructured data in manufacturing. Research also includes rule-based approaches and data log rules for blockchain data analysis and constructing and querying specific blockchain-related ontologies, right? So an ontology is a model. And how do you construct supply chain ontologies? There is a huge gap. And how do we model them? And how do we apply AI to them? And how do we create a knowledge graph out of them? Research also includes blockchain technology for supply chain risk management, finance, focusing on operational trade authenticity and contingent risk, right? Now, the Hyperledger Fabric is explored in application in blockchain-enabled SIM networks, emphasizing its modular architecture and suitability for smart contracts. From 2018 to 2021, there has been a focus on blockchain technology in SCM with an emphasis on transparency and product traceability. Literature reviews in supply selection highlight the need for considering various criteria such as business, collaboration, sustainability, and also resilience. Ongoing research aims to find effective solutions using artificial intelligence, knowledge graph, and blockchain for a better, transparent, secure, and efficient decision-making systems in SCM. So there is a lot of individual components research done in knowledge graphs, in blockchain, and other parts. But we are here to combine all these things and provide a more comprehensive solution. So, what is a knowledge graph? In terms of manufacturing, think knowledge graph as a digital twin, which could model your real world objects. So, using KG, knowledge graph, organization can model the resources required for production and identify the possible vendors. As I mentioned before, knowledge graphs are very easy to understand, easy to analyze by humans, and enhances the information for decision making. They also create a network that enable users to quickly find and connect heterogeneous data by means of standard ontologies. If you see on the right, there is a high-level representation of a supplier knowledge graph where supplier has historical data, supplier is involved in supply selection, and supply selection is based on the criteria and what is that criteria. So this is a knowledge graph, and this is a real supplier knowledge graph. Now, how AI and knowledge graph can work together? Supply chain management often requires a combination of both knowledge graphs and AI techniques, right? So whether it's data integration, where knowledge graphs can provide a unified view of supply chain data, while AI techniques can extract insights and predictions from this integrated data. Decision support, knowledge graphs can help supply chain managers access relevant information. AI can provide recommendations and predictions to support decision making. Risk management, knowledge graphs can help in identifying risks by organizing and visualizing the data, and AI can assess and mitigate the risks through predictive analytics. So here is a hybrid approach of our supply selection using hybrid intelligence system. You have a lot of suppliers, and that goes through a supplier selection module leveraging hybrid AI techniques, which is graph data science and a traditional AI system following the criteria base that is already set, and the final suppliers based on both the systems are finally given for your supplier management. Now, blockchain in supply chain is not new. It's a significant addition and adoption in overall supply chain management. Private blockchain is a type of distributed ledger that requires access to access and is not open to the public. This is called the permission blockchain, which we would like to leverage in our research. These blockchains users are internal to the company, so companies who don't want to be public, they could use private blockchains and make their transactions more safe, more reliable. So if you put a private network for supply chain management, you have suppliers already registered with their private network blockchain where the vendor proposals are sent and then endorsing peers are given that opportunity and then the updates are made to the world state. Now, selecting and authorizing vendors from the proposal and creating a certificate of authority and the chain code is part of chain code because as you know, the blockchain fundamentals are about the chain code, the authority, and immutability, and they create the committing pairs, validate others, so they execute orders, right? So this is a private network for supply chain management. And last but not least is a conclusion is integrating GDS and traditional AI in a private blockchain network for optimized supply recommendation. GDO reveals integrate supply relationships while AI provides predictive data-driven recommendations. It ensures transparency, security, and traceability in the recommendation process, enhancing trust and accuracy. That's the use of blockchain in terms of intelligence, right? The hybrid model surpasses the standalone systems in accuracy, robustness, and scalability. It also signifies a new direction in supply recommendation applicable across various supply chain scenarios, promoting data-driven decisions. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. Have a good day. Thank you.